Hi students. So now our topic is percentage. So what is the meaning of percentage? Percent. Percent means so per every 100. Per means so per cent. Cent means 100. This is called per every 100. Every 100. So this is called percent. So percent is nothing but so per every 100. So the word percent is per every 100. Now we are going to calculate so any fraction into percentage. How to calculate? So we are going to consider the example. Suppose out of 150 votes, okay, the first person got 100 votes. How much percentage of votes he got? First person. So how much percentage of vote? So percentage of votes is nothing but percentage of votes is nothing but obtained by total into 100. Obtained by total into 100. Obtained by total into 100 you can calculate. So 50, this is 52's. This is 53's. So 53's. This is 2 by 3 into 100. So 2 by 3 into 100. So it is not suitable. That is 2 by 3. You can calculate like this. So this is point. You can take 2, 3, 3, 6 or 18. So 3, 6 or 18. So it becomes again 2. Again 3, 6, 18. So again it is 2. That is 0.66 or 67 you can consider into 100. That is 67% nearly. So 67% nearly. So he got. So first person got votes. Then second person got so 50 votes. How much percentage he got? The percentage of votes is equals to obtained by total into 100. Obtained value 51s or 53s. So this is 100 by 3. 100 by 3 means 3 3s are 9. So remaining will becomes 1 again 3 3s are 9. So again it will become again 3 3s are 9. This is 33% and clearly 33% clearly. Total 67 plus 33 becomes 100. Total 67 plus 33 becomes 100. So finally we are going to calculate. So percentage is nothing but per every 100. So per every 100. That means the fraction. So here this fraction always the denominator is 100. So percent means the denominator must be 100. So denominator is 100. That is called percentage. What is the increasing percent and what is the decreasing percent? In sometimes, so in our real life situations, for example, you can take sales manager want to increase their sales by the next year. 30% of increase. So now increasing percentage. So what is increasing percentage? Suppose a sales manager has to increase their sale 30%. So 30%. So now present sale was present sale was 10,000 rupees. So present sale was 10,000 rupees. So if he want to increase by their team 30% more, so what is the increasing percentage? What is the increasing percentage value? How much value should be increased? That is the question first. So what is the percentage of 30% of 10,000? We have to calculate first. So what is the value of 30% of 10,000 we have to calculate. What is 30%? 30% in the sense 30 by 100 into 10,000. 30 by 100 into 10,000. Two zeros get cancelled. So this is how much? 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. So 3,000 rupees. So now, so how much total amount will be? Total amount will be. So initial amount plus increasing amount. This will becomes 13,000 rupees. 13,000 rupees. So he need to increase 13,000 rupees. Sales manager want to increase their sales 30%. So present sale was so 10,000 rupees. So 30% of 10,000 will becomes 3,000. So now total amount is so 10,000 plus the increasing amount 3,000 total. So their target was, this is their target now. This target was 13,000. So target was 13,000. Now understand what is the increasing percentage. So now what is the decreasing percentage? Let me see what is the decreasing percentage. Suppose, let me see how to calculate the decreasing percentage. So this is the decreasing percentage. Suppose, so we bought a product from the company. So let me consider that is TV. So the cost price of the TV, the cost price of TV set. So the cost price of television set is, suppose we are going to consider as 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees. The cost of TV set is 40,000 rupees. Due to the depreciation of age, suppose, so depreciation of age due to the age or usage, the after one year, the rate was decreased. By suppose 20%. So the rate was decreased by 20%. Now what is the cost price of TV set? So what is the cost price of TV? What is the cost price of TV? Now this is the question. So I hope you understand, the students. So the cost price of TV set is 40,000 rupees. So after 1 year, the rate was decreased. So due to the age and usage, the TV set was decreased. This condition is decreased 20% rate, 20%. So what is the total cost? Now, so in this process also we are going to calculate 20% of 40,000 rupees first. So we are going to calculate 20% of 40,000. So solution you can see first. So decreasing percentage, decreased amount you have to calculate. Decreased amount is equals to 20% of 40,000 rupees. So that is 20 by 100 into 40,000. These two get cancelled. So that is 2 4 8. 8,000 rupees will be deducted. 8,000 rupees will be deducted from the 40,000. Now the cost price of so TV set is equals to, so this is 40,000. So decrease in the sense subtraction. So this is 32,000 rupees. 32,000 rupees. So now, so we understand what is the percentage. Percentage means, so calculating a quantity to its per 100 in the sense the denominator is always 100. So denominator is always 100. So decreasing percentage and increasing percentage also we find. So you have to prepare this own questions and practice well. Thank you.